Well, I have a 2008 Ford Edge, but about halfway through 2017, they started putting, or not 2017, about halfway through 2007, they started putting cabin air filters in vehicles. And I often get a lot of riff from people. Be professional. One guy recently said, "Oh, be professional. Don't tell people that there was cabin air filters in 2007." Yeah, there were. About halfway through, that's when they really started doing it. 2008 really started becoming prominent, and then in 2009, almost all the vehicles had cabin air filters. So I'm going to show you right now on a 2008 Edge. I'm pretty sure all the way to almost 2018, 2019 Edges, it was behind the glove box in some form or fashion. You still had to push the tabs in the side of the glove box. You still had to undo the cable, but there might have been some dissimilarities. Like there might be an extra set of tabs behind the glove box that you've got to pull down on, like 2018, 2019 models, and that would release the backside, and then you could get your cabin air filter. So this is how easy it is. I'm going to try this with one hand. So here on the side, just kind of pull that back and clear it. Over here, you got this little rope thing. It's actually hooked up to a loaded tensioner. You can see it's slotted right here. You just get it clear, push it out. There it is. The glove box falls back, and here is your cabin air filter compartment right here. As you can see, this one is trash. That's how you do the cabin air filter. You know, you can try to get some of this debris and stuff out of there. You can go ahead and spin the top of your blower motor back in here. Anyway, that's the gist of it.